Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to Alipay. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need a verified account on Wise to do this. Then after that, we go right here to the send option and then we fill in right here China. Then we go right here to this page and then we fill in right here 100 euros is 746 yen. And we want to change the payment option to bank transfer. Then we click right here on add recipient. And then we have the option right here to search on Wise, search on e-wallet or Onion Pay card. And then what we're going to do from here is we select e-wallet. Then we do someone else. And then right now what we're going to do is we write down right here their email. And then we select right here recipient bank details. Then we do right here Alipay, and then we fill in right here the full name of the card holder. And then after that, we select right here Alipay ID type, and then we do phone number or we do email. So then you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Then you do continue, and then they will send you right here to the review page where you need to check all the details. And then after that, they send you to the payment page if you click on continue, and then you can do your payment. So this is how you can send money from Wise to Alipay. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.